Hey Des, I think you've got an issue. I think you've got an issue with your steering. Yeah, you've got a broken steering arm, mate. It's been a while since I've done some off-roading, and we've got Des with us too in his newly modified Subaru Forester. We're going to park up here and air down. I'll give you a look around the cars and what Des has done to his car.
I forgot how fun it was just coming in here.
Track to get here is good enough, isn't it? All right, well, it's got a new look front end. Can't escape that. I think it looks absolutely mint.
It was not meant to be this solid. You want your winch bar to be solid. You want your bull bar to be sacrificial. It's not sacrificial. This thing, I could probably winch straight off the fucking bar.
It's a hard looking thing. What kind of metal is this, mate? The
that's just mild steel, but it'll be about 6 or 7 mil.
It is thick. I'll put my finger next to it there, guys. It is
5 or 6
bloody thick. And then it's got a plate which is bolted to the front of into the chassis rail there.
Yeah, it actually sleeves in for strength.
Oh, beautiful. It sleeves in, does it?
Yeah.
You got a retaining bolt that goes through it, and then you got
The
4 bolts that go on the front of it as well. So you've purchased an ATV winch from
just
the local auto store?
Yeah, just super cheap because it was super cheap.
Oh, that looks pretty schmicko in there, mate. 3,000 pounds.
3,500, yeah.
Okay, ATV winch.
Yep.
Like helping yourself up obstacles and that sort of stuff.
If I've got it, can you please go, mate? Just need that little bit extra to get over a bump or whatever.
Because you're going to put that through a snatch block or 2, aren't you?
Two snatch blocks.
2 snatch blocks.
Yep.
Do you need another one? I got another one.
I've got 2.
Oh, you got 2? Sweet. Can we have a look at your new snorkel while I'm over this side?
Embarrassing.
No, I think that looks schmick, mate. I think that looks really nice. We're not sure what that's off though, are we?
No, no idea. Most of the Toyotas I think are all on the right side, and Nissans are all on the left side. Bought it cheap off Gumtree.
60 bucks, 50 bucks or something?
Yeah, 60 bucks.
And I'm loving this. That's a good get out of jail.
Very
free
proud
card.
of that one because I mean it used to hang down here, and I got a Boilermaker because when it comes to recovery points, I'd rather have Boilermaker just like the welds at the front.
Yeah.
The main welds, which I'm going to use for recovery, I want someone it's their trade doing it.
It looks really solid.
You need to get one of these for yours.
Yeah,
They're
I do.
like 30 bucks.
I just put the loop in and then the pin through the loop on the snatch strap, and that seems to.
That's all right, unless you need to get angles and stuff like that.
True. That would be more convenient, but I just haven't
But it's also
done it yet.
It wrecks your departure angle. 14 pounds.
14 pound.
Each corner.
That's it. Nice and soft. Beautiful. Oh, wait for me. This is a place called Submarine Disco. We call it Submarine Disco because it was a combination of Subaru and Discovery, the cars that we had when we first came here. And like a submarine, it's a tight space and there's lots of men around. That wheel lift, beautiful. The hardest part of the track. What a spectacle. That is a big climb for a little car. It's going to climb up the side of the bank there. Look at the way the tyre's squishing. Oh, he's falling down. A little bit more of a turn, mate. Try the right. There goes the bumper. You're leaking water.
Oh, that's all right.
And that's your washer bottle, right?
Yeah, I just repaired it.
You see that, guys? Just water. Now the track's wet, mate. Jesus. Hey, Des. Oh, no, you're right. Hey, Des, I think you've got an issue.
Sorry?
I think you've got an issue with your steering. Yeah, you got a broken steering arm, mate. Are you guys seeing this? His wheel is pointing the opposite direction to another wheel at some point. Look at that. It's still turning though. Hey, stop.
Sorry?
I think you've got something broken, mate, because your left wheel is pointing totally that way. You see what I mean?
Oh, fuck. Holy shit! It was bound to happen sooner or later. This is not good.
I didn't even think you were going that hard.
This is not good at all.
It was going, they were kind of cooperating at points. I think you'll be able to get it back down.
Down there. I can't believe I'm reversing down here with the best steering arm.
Yeah, it is pointing over there.
This is so dodgy doing this with no steering.
They're both pointing the same direction now, mate, if that's any consolation.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at it.
That's not as bad as it was before. It was right angles before.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's like, it's going where it wants to at the moment now.
Straighten up just gently, just really gently straighten up. Your passenger side is almost fully straight and your driver's side is, well, you can see your driver's side there. Your passenger's just turned inwards now. Yeah, that's good. The rut just straightened you up, perfect. Well, now it's airborne, so it doesn't matter. You've got a track there which is going to lead you in.
Because it's bent, it's pushed back.
It's yeah, now it's dragging on the body.
Oh, it's so smooth and soft.
That was the gentlest I've ever seen you attack that hill.
But the other thing is because it's low pressure, there's a shitload more gripping force.
Yeah, that could have been it. They're not very thick steering. No. It's not steering components.
I think they've already got a couple of bends, like very slight bends in them.
And that was just enough to go, how you going, and pop it. That's a slight lift, mate. Do you want me to come sit on that?
I'm going up further and further.
I could do with a max track under this back wheel here, mate. I think so that you come down a little bit gentler. Good, gentle, gentle. You're just going over a bit of a route now, mate. Ooh. See if I can hang on to the bloody front of this car.
Off this bank, man. I'm trying to get this way.
Yeah, okay, I'm with you. Gentle, gentle, stop, 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 stop. You're gonna rip the tyre off the rim.
Oh, okay.
Just gentle. Well, that's one way to do it. What a sight. What a sight. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's not good. They're both pointing inwards now.
That's full lock left.
Is it?
Yeah.
I like that. Oh, no I don't. Just let me know later how much help I'm being, because I don't feel like I'm being a lot of help. Stop, stop, stop. Nah. All right, try go back. It's just your passenger wheel is pointing at your driver's side really hard. Well, it knocked it straight, mate. I think that was necessary.
So dodgy with how deep these are.
Oh, that's huge, right. Gotta hope that wheel straightens off. Well, it didn't. I wouldn't say it's bent back, but it's currently pointing in the right direction. Now it's pointing away again. Would you like a tow, sir?
Tow?
A tow. Would you like it just a little bit of a... Well, that answers that question.
Shit. Look at that.
Yeah, it's really...
There's no way of me getting back up that.
Well, Des is in a spot where he can't really move at all now, and the steering arm is totally snapped. Him up and over, and hopefully we can get him out of that rut and straighten the wheel up again. What happens from there, though, I'm not entirely sure. Hopefully he can get back to here with that wheel on such an extreme angle and not rip the tyre off the rim. It's not getting any worse, mate. Yeah, oh, that was pretty straight just then. If you keep coming just slowly, it's getting into a small rut now and it is straightening. Oh, I gave it a kick, it worked. I reckon we jack it up there, mate.
Yep.
It's pretty flat. So this is going to be our mechanic's shop here. I'm going to jack it up with a bottle jack, pull the wheel off, have a good look at it, and hopefully we can come up with a bush mechanic fix, eh? How many tyres have we got on there so far?
I know about, there's 7 and there's 8, 9, so 7, 9, 16.
The power of 16 cable ties. Can it do it?
Well, it's going to be a lot more than 16, trust me.
Yeah.
After I've cut the tails off, I'm going to wrap it in a ratchet strap tail.
How cool the Subaru is to work on though. This is piece of cake. Everything's light duty and easy to sort of...
That's the reason.
Yeah. Oh, you've just done the fencing wire.
Yep.
That green stuff you can see there, guys. And now he's going for a final wrap with a bit of electrical tape. Will it turn? That is the question. It doesn't need to turn a lot, just a little bit so we can get back to a road. We're all waiting with bated breath. Did you turn it all then?
Yeah.
Just straighten up. It's working, says Dougie with a huge amount of surprise. Oh, now it's going again.
Straight away.
Straight away, mate.
Which way is it pointing, right?
They're both pointing out like that. can't believe that just came out straight away. That's so gutting. And park it in there. So we've got this nice flat spot here to work in. We've not had a win with that bush mechanic fix. This is Des's latest fix. We're trying to lock the wheel, aren't we, mate?
Yep, just drive.
Just try and get it locked dead straight. You'll be able to see we've got fencing wire there locking it to that place, and then fencing wire locking it to that part. So the wheel is relatively straight, and hopefully he can use the other wheel to steer, and then this one kind of just drags around. All right, moment of truth, take 2. And hopefully it'll just slide. We've also pumped it up to 50 psi, so hopefully it skates a little bit. Hey Des, fencing wire broke. Have any luck there, mate, with the boot? With the booters? You might want a flat-headed screwdriver.
No, I've got this. A little bit of silicone.
Smash that inside the foreskin, mate. You've definitely got the back clip off.
Yeah, it's just quite wide here and a bit dirty. It's binding up a bit. A little bit grease on the new inner. Should I just put some grease on it? Do you reckon that's going to help?
It's a specialty tool. Where did you get it from in the end?
Wheels.
Wheels?
It's not even fucking biting at all. Oh, that's a fucking rock. Oh, this one is even better. It's got like multiple flats too.
Oh.
Makes it easier next time when you break it, mate.
Yeah.
There will be a next time, I'm sure.
They've got none in the warehouse. All right, here we go. I hope it's, I don't know where the other end is. It's somewhere in the car. The boot's fucked on that too.
I'll just put it in.
Yep. But this is going to be a million times better than the wire hole.
It's going to be interesting to see if it'll drive with that broken CV, because it really broke. How's it going to go, mate?
Yeah, fucked.
It's fucked. How's it going to go?
Yeah, real good.
Shit.
Yeah, it's just a CV.
That's proper broken CV. All your power's probably going to that wheel that's broken.
Is your traction control on? Just hold.
Yeah.
So
Traction control on.
put it on and just keep in the revs for a little bit.
Well, we can tow you out here now at least, because you have steering, right? Wait, well, how about I just tow you out, tow you back to my place? Oh, we should get a train tow going. This one's broken. I'll break my Subi towing this one, and then you can tow us.
Yeah, and then I'll break it.
I won't even.
Forester, Outback, 2 beautiful men. Can't see this, viewers. The tow convoy.